Hey everyone, what's going on? I'm back with another video, and if you couldn't really tell, things are a little bit different right now, so don't worry about that. But what's more important is I went to my P.O. box today and I picked up this handy dandy little box here from my friends over at DSS Games. DSS Games stands for Drunk Stone Stupid Games. That's right, they're the ones who made Drunk Stone Stupid. We played that way back when on JK Party, and they've been making a bunch of different games. They made it into stores, so if you go to Target, you can find Drunk Stone Stupid, also renamed to Who's Most Likely to be, you know, brand friendly. And then they also have one that you probably won't see in stores called Dick Match, and a bunch of other ones. But this is their most recent game that they sent me a care package for, so let's open it and find out what's in it. So I've got my handy dandy little knife here, and let's pop this thing open. So on the front here it says game night is served. So cut this open here, put that away so I don't stab myself. Open it up, and inside, just look, Sriracha The Game. So this is their new game that they actually partnered with Sriracha, you know, the food condiment company, and yeah, so they made a game in partnership with them, and I'll explain more of it as we go along. Right at the top, we've got a little letter here that says, Sean, we stepping our game up. Sriracha The Game, are you ready to kick things up a notch? It's spicy, slapping, and all around satisfying. We made Sriracha The Game simply to express our love for this sauce and had to share it with the people who love it as much as we do. What are you waiting for? Game night is served. Hashtag Sriracha The Game by @PlayDSSGames, and thanks for being along for the ride. Well, thank you, DSS Games, for sending me this. It's actually been quite a ride. I remember you guys just blew up through JK Party, and you guys have been going crazy and working your asses off ever since. So now we've got next bunch of cute ass sticker sheets. I mean, just look at this. Stickers galore. I'm actually gonna slap these on to my water bottle and all my stuff like right after this video. We've got, oh my god, this is actually really cute. It's a little cute Sriracha plushie, and it's exhaling fire. Look at that, look at it. Ooh. And of course, you can't forget about the confetti. Now, actually, the last thing in here is Sriracha The Game. And there's nothing else really in here, so just says Sriracha The Game on it. But more importantly, like I said, this. So let's pop this open, and this is the game. Honestly, this is really nice looking packaging. It's got, much like the bottle, it has the logo on it, and on the back it has nutritional facts on it. And of course, at the bottom it says under license from Huifeng Foods. So popping off the top here, we've got what looks to be a deck of cards. There's nothing else in here. That's it. Unless there's more? No, that's it. That's all there is. So the rules here are fairly simple. All you do is you deal out cards to 2 or more players evenly, and then whoever loves Sriracha the most gets to go first. You flip a card away from you, placing it into the center, and then everyone else basically places their cards. And if it's a pair, so one person plays one down and the next person plays down the same card, whoever slaps the deck first gets to keep it. Or if there is a sandwich, so one card is card A, and then card B, and then card A again, whoever slaps that sandwich gets to keep that. And then there's a little bit of a modifier, which includes playing with these Sriracha bottle cards, which I'll let you read about when you guys pick up your own deck. But to put it basically, whoever has the entire deck at the end wins. And that's how simple it is. And each of these cards on the back have the Sriracha The Game design on it, but more importantly there, each of the cards has a really cute design. So these are the burger cards, and then we've got the ramen cards, and then of course a bowl of rice here, and we've got tacos, or tacos as the English say it. We've got sushi here, we've got pizza, we've got a drumstick, we've got a little fried egg, and we've also got fried rice. So I'm really excited for this because when it comes to playing board games with my cousins, whenever we get together, we play the stupidest games. Like, we'll play Old Maid, or we'll play spoons and drink, and whoever doesn't get a spoon has to drink, and we'll play slapjack. And so this, I think, is gonna fit right into the games that we play. So, and I'm assuming that for us, at least me and my cousins, all the losers who aren't able to slap the deck fast enough, or whoever doesn't have the deck by the end of it, will have to take a drink or something like that. I think this is gonna be like really stupid fun for me and my family, and I'm actually like really excited to give it a try. So DSS Games, thank you again for sending me Sriracha The Game, as well as the stickers and the plush and everything. Shout out to you guys. I love you guys so much. You guys are fantastic and have been fantastic for like as long as I've known you guys. And if you, my viewers, are interested in picking up this game, well, Sriracha The Game is on Amazon and it's only $12. So if you love Sriracha or you love board game nights with your friends, well then why not pick this up? So check it down in the description box below. It'll be there, so check it out. All right, everyone, thank you for watching this quick little unboxing video. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Peace.